day, good day, good day. Good day, good day, good day. Guys, we are a little bit late. We are a little bit late, but it's fine. Just let me know on the comment section that if everything is fine. Yeah. Good morning. Oh, good morning. How are you, man? I hope you're doing great. So let's see. As you know, guys, on the comment section, just let me know. Let me know what you do you want me to check. At the moment, we are on Nasdaq 100, so we are expecting maybe a very nice reversal. It's before the market opens, so I'm expecting maybe a nice push to the upside. Maybe before we see an aggressive sell. That is possible, but at the moment, I will be waiting for you to let me know which pairs do you want me to check. US30, I will check that. Forex Diary with Ngolo Kante. Okay, welcome, mentor of mentors. How are you, man? I hope you are doing great. I hope you are doing great. Yeah, we are back. As I promised that we will be going on our analysis almost every day, but I think we're gonna skip Monday, guys. I think we're gonna skip Monday. Because Mondays sometimes they can be quite slow. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I think that will work in our favor. So yeah, firstly, is everything okay on your side? I hope everything is okay. Let me see. Let me just get this on my phone just to test if everything is fine. Because sometimes you can just continue talking, but to find out that things are not actually clear. So yeah, it seems to be clear. Then no, it's fine. It's fine, guys. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It seems like everything is fine. So that's good. Everything is okay. Everything is good, guys. So I will be checking US30. I will be checking gold. Tabang, how are you, my brother? I hope you're doing great. Everything is clear. Euro JPY, please say, boss, what time frame is it? This time frame is actually 4 hours time frame. You can see here behind the chart, it's actually it's 4 hours time frame. So on Nasdaq, guys, I think you can see that I already have actually a buy. So I'm expecting to see maybe a nice bounce to the upside. Already we are on a very nice uptrend. Yes, we'll be going on US30. So I'm expecting a continuation of that bullish move, especially when we had a nice reversal. This reversal here, it was much better. So maybe we'll see a very nice push to the upside, right? So let's push to the next one, which is going to be US30. US30, we also smashed this one very nice. We did have a very nice one. You can easily see that the market, it was consolidating around this level. The market was just playing around until we saw a breakout of this resistance. Now we see that the market is going up. I see that the market is going up. So yeah, GBP, CHF, and Euro JPY. I will check that. How can I see your signals daily? Okay. To see my signals daily, we have a group where you can actually pay premium price so that you can be on our signals, or you can just join our free group. We also have a free group. So while we are still on US30, before the market opens, we left with 7 minutes before the market opens, we can easily see that we were actually coming on a very nice uptrend. Then after the market broke out, we started to see the market consolidating. So once the market consolidates, just know that the market was actually thinking if maybe it should be continuing with that downtrend structure. But it seems like the market did not really like that. Now that's why we see a breakout. Then I'm expecting a nice reversal on that. I'm expecting a very nice push, even though the market sometimes might play around here, but I'm still expecting to see a very nice push to the upside. Plus, did you see what happened on Nasdaq? Nasdaq is already high. Even if we saw some reversals, we know that Nasdaq is like seriously higher. S&P 500 is quite higher. So one way or another, we know very well that US30 will end up catching up with that. You see, so which means we still have a nice room for that bullish move. Do you see that? I hope that it's clear. So now let me clear that. So now we are actually on gold. On gold, guys, we are coming from a very nice support area. Around this level here, it's our horizontal support. So the market has been moving like that. So now we expect the market to actually go higher, quite similar to here. So that can be a very nice bullish move, something like this. You can see that. So what we have here, it's actually a slow moving uptrend, which I like. I think it's going to be simple for everyone to see. So on the bottom side on gold, we have a very nice support. Do you see that support? That is clean. So now the market is just struggling or playing around the support area. So once the market gets out of this, we will be expecting an aggressive push to the upside. As you can see that the market is slowly going up. So one way or another, I'm expecting a nice bullish move like that. I hope it makes sense. Something like this can actually work in our favor. Plus, but don't fight the market, guys. Don't fight the market. As everything can happen. Anything can happen. Anything can happen, you see. So, TD, so how are you, my brother? I hope you're doing great. German Theta, I will also check that. So, we can easily see that, yeah, we are expecting gold to still go to the upside. Unless if maybe the market tries to break out of this structure, then we can say, yeah, maybe the market will be breaking out. But besides that, I think the market might continue very nice. So, what else? What else? Euro JPY. Let me go on Euro JPY, and what else? Oh, German 30. I think the other one's gonna be German 30, German 40. So the market is about to open. We left with less than 5 minutes. Let's see, Euro JPY. Where is that euro? Yeah. I think I did remove that euro. I think I removed that euro. Okay, it's fine. It's Euro JPY. Or let me just go on German 30 before I go on Euro JPY. I will be adding that. So this is what we have on German 40 or German 30. So this is a very nice downtrend structure. Or we can just call it aggressive. We can easily see that, yeah, the market has been going down for quite some time. It's something like this. Do you see that? So it's been like, this was actually an aggressive sell. And now the market is like way too lower. I think around this area, you see that level there? It was something. We can mark that level. Actually, this was supposed to be there around this area. So around that. So that is actually a nice support area. Do you see that? So that is what I'm expecting to see the market to actually continue. And it's not like maybe this will start there. Even here, we also had quite similar moves. So which means the market just consolidated. We also have another consolidation here. And I think it will consolidate. So once the market reaches this level, it was a previous support. Obviously, now it's a resistance. So I'm expecting to see some very nice sell positions around that level. Unless if maybe the market tries to reach this higher level. And it's quite important. And the market is respecting that. So anything is possible. Anything is possible. I think around this level, that can actually work very, very, very nice. Do you see that? So I'm still on a bearish moment, bearish on German 30. Or maybe the market might end up breaking out of this support area. Then we can say, yeah, that is another good confirmation to continue with that sell. But where we are, we just need to wait. We just need to wait. Gbpusd, I will check that. Dikoba, how are you, man? Do silver. Okay, I will also check silver. Euro JPY, I will check Euro JPY. Let's go on Euro JPY. I hope German, everything is fine after I done with that analysis. So let's check Euro JPY. So let's see Euro JPY. I did sometimes I remove this, guys. The reason behind that is I don't really do much of this. So GBP, CHF, so I just take them out. GBP. Yeah. Okay, so GBP, CHF, I see that. So yeah, now let's see Euro JPY. If I still remember, we had a very nice structure. So it's been flying for quite some time. So the best way is to just go on a daily time frame. We will be going on Nasdaq, DXY, or maybe gold, because now the market just opened. So on Euro JPY, I hope everyone can see this is a very aggressive bullish structure. The market has been going up for quite some time. So which means we just have to know where can we buy. So you can see that we had this aggressive push and seems to be aggressively continuing to the upside. So we can go closer on our 4-hour time frame just to see where maybe we can start to think about buying or selling. But since the market is actually on a very nice uptrend, the only option that we have here is just going to be buying. So this is what we have. That was the highest level. So we can see that the market did break out of that resistant area, even though here there is no clean connection because the market reversed there. But here it was the area that we can connect. So now the market is here. The question is, will the market continue going up? Yes, that can be a very nice buy, because if it does respect that level, it means we can have something like this, something like that. So we can have that continuation of a buy. Do you see that? And if maybe the market doesn't really respect this area, we might see the market trying to continue going even lower before maybe it reaches the support area where we can think about buying. You see. So let me see. Is it safe to buy US30? Let me see. I can't say go buy or go sell, but on our entry level here, you can see that my entry on a buy pending order, it was here. So it's actually almost there. So to me, if maybe I can say yes, it's actually a very nice area for re-entry, but we already bought this. We're not going to jump on that again. So this is, for me, I think that is good for you to jump in. Please don't say I'm advising you to take trades or something like that. That is actually how I see it. It can be a very nice buy. So Euro CHF, GBP CHF. So on Euro JPY, I think maybe everything is clear. You can easily see that the market is on a resistance, but the question is, will the market respect this area? If it does respect that area, it's fine, because it will mean that we're going to have a nice or good time maybe buying if it respect. But if it doesn't, it means we will see the market going even lower. Maybe we can even reach this support area before we buy. At the moment, I don't really see anything aggressive there. Maybe you can place your notification around this area. If maybe it crosses that level, you can be there. You will actually hear. And another thing that can be safe, I think it's not really correct. We can say just because the market reversed around this level, we can have that as a potential resistance, because it's possible for the market to play around like that. So the best entry, it will be above. Yes, someone can say, Kenzo, but it seems like the market was retesting. Yes, it's actually a retest if the market is going to respect that. But what if maybe the market is going to play around that level for quite some time. So it's better to get in the trade when we no longer have any type of a resistance. Closer, by the way. I hope that makes sense. So let's push to the next one, which is GBPCHF. Let's see what's really happening. GBPCHF. I also did this one before. I can see there is some very nice analysis. I think there was buy pending order there. So this is what I see. The market was connecting very nice on my structure. I think on a daily time frame, everything is just quite straightforward. The market was just going up. Just look at this. Look at these areas where the market was just respecting. So you can see that the market was on a very nice uptrend until we found out that the market was about to break out around this area. I think it's also something, and we can have something like this. So the question is, will the market maybe try to go even higher? The market will be trying to go even higher, or maybe the market will be just reversing around this level. It's up to the market. There is nothing we can do here, but the best thing is to mark these levels. Let's mark that. We are not in a hurry. Let's mark this level here. I think we can say whether the market broke out around this area, but it was a very important zone. So we can't just keep that out. So we can say, yes, the market was still respecting that area until we saw a proper breakout here. So yes, the market did break out of the diagonal structure before we break this horizontal structure. Now we have the market respecting that. So yes, this might be a very nice downtrend structure, as we can see this aggressive sell. So from this area, I'm expecting to see maybe something like that. Do you see that? So we can have something like that continuing to go even lower. That's what I see. That's what I see at the moment. So it can be a very nice downtrend structure, especially once the market breaks out. It shows us that, you know what, it's time for the market to continue going down. So a nice downtrend, if you wait for a reversal there, it can work in our favor, something like that. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. UK 100. Okay. Hello, Kenzo, Rick, FX. Rick FX, how are you, man? So please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So I'm trying to check which pair I did not release that I need to check. Euro CHF. So yeah, on the Euro CHF, let's go there before Euro CHF. I don't know if I did remove that also. Yeah, it's not there. It's USD CHF. Euro. Yeah, now let's see. I will also go on UK 100. So I hope on the pairs that I did check, it's everything is clear. Eh? Seems like Nasdaq is going down, but just as okay. We'll see. The market just opened. US30 is the one that is reversing. It's fine. So let's go back on Euro CHF and see what's really happening. So on Euro CHF, we can also see that we are coming from a very nice uptrend structure. The market has been going up like that, but this was like a way too aggressive structure. Do you see that? Even though we had a nice reversal, aggressive reversal, but the market still continued like that until we had this reversal there. And at the end of the day, of the trend, the market actually broke out. So with this type of a breakout, it shows us that the market is no longer actually on that nice uptrend. Now we expect the market to continue going down like that. So at the moment, we just need to understand that, you know what, we just need to find some areas where we can actually look for those sell positions. Let's go maybe on 4 hours time frame. I just want to see these new structures. If maybe we can get some, I think something like this makes sense. Something like this makes sense. Yeah, I think the market is doing something like this. So we can see where the market just broke out, and even and the market did break retest that. So you can see that the market broke out here, retest, started to go down. So where we are, I think it can be a very nice area for us to have a short position. Do you see that? We can have something like that going down, as it shows us that it can be a very nice sell. Why? Because we are on a downtrend structure, which means this resistant area is going to be very, very, very important. So we expect to see the market going down from that. Or maybe the market might end up consolidating around these levels. But at the end of the day, we expect the market to go down, as the market showed us that it's breaking out. And once the market breaks out like that, we understand that most likely the market wants to continue with the next trend, which is going to be a downtrend structure. You see. So yeah, let's go on UK 100. UK 100. What's really happening on UK 100? UK 100. Let's see. Okay, let me remove some. I have a longer list, so I'm trying to read that every day. So UK 100 is going to be indices. So UK, I need the one from Uganda. Yeah, I think I have like more than 12 months not analyzing UK 100. So yeah, the best thing that you can do, if maybe you take time to analyze this or anything, just go on a bigger time frame, like a daily, and you will see where the market is going. From a bigger time frame already, you can see what's happening. Let me remove that. You can see that no, this thing has been flying, even though around this area, it seems like the market was just consolidating, but we see a slight move going to the upside. So let's go there and see what we can get from that. So since that is a daily time frame, it means we can reduce this and go on a smaller time frame, which is going to be 4 hours time frame. So we can have something like that. Do you see that? Because we don't really need this moves, this whole move, because some of this is like June last year, so it doesn't really matter that much. So let me go on 4 hours time frame and see if maybe I can get something. So on 4 hours time frame, I think I have something like this, which is very nice. Yes, we are on a nice uptrend structure. I think the market is trying to reverse again. Let's have something like that. Okay. We have this. Yeah, to me, this is a very nice uptrend structure. It's a very nice uptrend structure. And you know, for those who don't know, UK and South Africa, our time frame, our time zone is not really that different. So if you want to trade this, it can actually work in your favor, because I think their markets open quite the same as us. If maybe there is different, it's only maybe 2 hours, not really that much like a New York Stock Exchange, where we have to wait until 3 p.m. or 3:30 p.m. So something like this. You see that? So on my side, I think the market is actually on a very nice bullish move. But where we are, it shows us that the market is trying to do what? To reverse from this level. It's trying to reverse. But it seems like we also had a structure like that. The market was going down very nice, and the market was creating this wedge structure, and then the market did break out. That's why we see a very nice push. So for me to say if I want to participate in this, I'll have to try to identify everything and have something like that as a smaller support. And if it reaches this area, I will be ready to buy again. I will be ready to buy again. So something like that can actually work very nice. I like the structure actually. I like the structure. So we can have something like that. And say after the breakout, as you can see that the time the market was going down, it was actually creating this nice resistance. So for us to buy, we just have to wait for a breakout. And it did happen. Obviously, we will be expecting to see the market going higher like that. Do you see that? I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So other ones, the other pairs that you want me to check, So yeah, let's see. Let's go on our Nasdaq. It seems to be trying to go higher again. Yeah, it's been playing around the same level, so we can just chill here and relax. Or before we can even think about chilling, let's go on DXY dollar index and see how it performs, because it shows us the market performance, actually US performance. So we can see that the overall structure here, it's on a very nice uptrend. The market is going like that. No, not like that. The market is going like that. So even here, we expect the market to go up like that. So, but we have this level of a resistance that we can use as our resistance. So yeah, let's go closer. This is what we have. It's like the market will be trying to move like this until we reach this resistance area. So USD, quite strong. It's way too stronger. So let's see these companies that we have. I want to see companies that are actually, it's called screener. Just want to see what's really happening on Nasdaq and other markets. US Nasdaq 100. It's fine. I wanted to see something, but it seems like it's not the way I want it. So I wanted to see the performing companies here as the market just opened. No, it's fine. It's fine, but it shows us that the dollar, sorry, beside that, it shows us that DXY is slowly going up. So at the end of the day, we're gonna have something like that, but we don't really have to draw that. At the end of the day, we can easily see that the market is going up like that. And it's not really surprising, as we have a very nice simple structure. So, and on Friday, we have PCE. That will be showing us if maybe the dollar or is it still going to go higher, because if PCE is still going up, it will be showing us that inflation is still going higher. Let's see. Euro USD. Oh, this thing seems to be trying to go higher, but at the moment it's still struggling. So I think on the entry side for Nasdaq, this can also be a very nice entry for us. But be safe here. It seems like the market is just playing games, but I'm expecting a very nice push. So let's go on. We'll be going on Euro USD, but this is gonna be my entry. Let me just write that down before I go on Euro USD. I will say Nasdaq. I already sent this in my group. Nasdaq 100. It was a buy stop. I think it's still a very, very, very good area for us to jump in. Where was the entry? 19603. So the stop loss, I can say maybe around this area because it was open. Let me see. Or let me just say stop loss is actually open. This is what we have. As I'm expecting the market to go up, guys, just know that once we show you something like this, it doesn't really mean I will always be 100% right. There is a chance that I can be wrong, you see. There is a chance that anything can go wrong, you see. So, yeah, this is what we have, and it seems like it's trying to push the upside. So, yeah, this is how I see it. This is how I see Nasdaq. I'm seeing it reversing a little bit. So, Euro USD. Let's see Euro USD. Someone said check Euro USD. On my side, as the dollar is getting stronger and stronger, we can easily see that Euro, it's on a downtrend structure. You see that. So I'm expecting a continuation of that downtrend structure. So we can see a nice break there. The market did create these aggressive structures, sort of a retest, but now the market is just consolidating. I'm expecting that to happen, but an aggressive sell can also happen. Once we see a breakout, then we can continue with that sell. So which means around these levels there, it's where we can actually think about selling around that. But where we are, I don't think maybe you should jump on a sell, because at the moment, the market is showing us a nice structure that we can call actually a ranging. So selling around the center, it's quite closer to quite closer to the support where the market can reverse, because you can easily see that the market did touch this level. So you see that. So once the market comes here, there is a nice chance that the market can actually reverse, you see. Oh, silver, man. I forgot, my brother. Get like check, I'm gonna check. So yeah, I'm expecting maybe a nice continuation here. If it breaks out, that will also continue. So if maybe I can zoom this out, you can easily see that, yeah, the market is actually on a very, very aggressive sell. If we can check that on a daily time frame. Not really a crazy sell, but we can easily see that the market is moving like that. You see that? So I'm expecting a nice sell like that. So that can happen, and it's already happening. So we can draw something like this and so that we can have a well-calculated take profit. So whatever that happens, we can say, as long as we can have sales around that area, this area is going to be a potential area to stay. It's where we're supposed to get out. So something like that can actually work. Simple as that. Do you see that? I hope that makes sense. Silver. I'll have to check silver, guys. I think so many people are trying to check silver. Silver. Okay, let me take. Also have. It's fine. Let me take this. Yeah. So on silver, what's happening? Already we are on a daily time frame. We can easily see that, yeah, the market has been creating a very nice structure there. But the overall move, we can easily see that we are coming from a very, very, very nice uptrend structure. So now our job is to try to connect those dots. And these dots, at the end of the day, once we connect them, they show us that, you know what, this is actually going higher, which means we are on a bullish move, even though the market actually it's playing around the support area. So which means we can draw something like that and not forgetting a diagonal support area. Where we are, it's a very, very, very important area for the market to do what? To respect and push the upside, or maybe the market might end up breaking out. It's possible. We can't just rule anything out. So let's start by drawing the proper lines. Let's go. Let me start here. Yeah, I think to me, it's correct. Then I will try to double that. See, now we're talking. So this is a very nice structure, by the way. Any CAD position after CPI today? Man, I saw CPI, it was quite stronger. So which means CPI was quite positive. So we'll check that. I could not jump on that because I was waiting for Nasdaq. I have a Nasdaq position. Plus, I don't really trade too much of currency pairs. So, but I was just watching if maybe there's something that I need to do. So now let's see on XAD, which is silver, XAG silver. To me, this, I think for everyone, not only to me, I think you can see or this thing is actually on a very nice support area. You can see where we are. It's a very nice area. This area there, you see this area. I think the market is also going towards that. And I think we're going to have a nice aggressive push. Unless if maybe we have a reversal, you see. But I'm expecting to see a very nice aggressive push, as the market showed us for several times that we are on a very nice uptrend. And yeah, the market can actually push. So let's draw a nice horizontal structure there. I think it will make sense. Do you see that? That makes sense to me. So let's go on for hours time frame, because someone can say, Kenzo, we can relate with a daily time frame. No, if you draw your lines correctly, so everything's gonna be nice, whether you're changing the time frame or not. It's gonna be nice. Yes, the market did reach the highest level there and started to go down. And with this down structure, you can see this was the highest level. Then the market started to give us these areas where the market was just going down. That at the end of the day created a wedge structure. So on a wedge structure, there is a chance that the market can just consolidate before we see a very nice breakout. But this wedge was quite far. I think a very nice bullish move there can work very nice. But you saw, if maybe you also check gold, I saw gold trying to actually, it was struggling to push away, to move away from that support area. I think something like this can work actually very nice. I don't really trade silver, so it means you should know what you're supposed to do when maybe you want to take some trades here, where it's going to be your stop loss. But this can be a very nice entry once the market is moving away from that support area. I think this can be a very nice, a very, very, very nice buy or bullish structure, or for a long time or swing trade if you buy, right? So I think we can just jump straight to Canada. I forgot that today we had CPI from Canada. So that CPI from Canada is not really a bigger of a deal like the CPIs that we get from US. So mostly the market will just move and reverse very quick. But if we check CPI, so if we check JPY, not JPY, man. If we check Canada, we can see that, yeah, it's still very bullish against JPY. We'll have to check another pair, like maybe USD Canada, to compare them. How are they performing? You see, if they perform very similar, it will show us if maybe Canada is stronger or not. But we saw that everything, it was quite positive for Canada. So now, as we are on a very nice uptrend, let's go towards this area and see what might happen. So, but with this nice uptrend structure, I think a continuation can also work very nice. So thanks, man. Thank you, man. So you can see that on Canada JPY, we had a highest level that the market tried to create, and at the end of the day, that ended up to be a sort of a resistance. We see the market reversing there, and also here, Then around this area, we also have a retest. So now the market is a little bit higher, which means there is nothing we can do. There is nothing we can do. What we know is we are on a very nice uptrend. And what we're supposed to do is to buy at the lowest level, which is going to be around maybe this previous resistance, which is going to be maybe the support. Or maybe the market might create a resistance. And if maybe the market breaks out of that, then we can jump on that. But we can see that, yeah, we are actually on a very nice bullish move. You see. Maboto, EuroCAD looks decent. Okay. Yeah, EuroCAD, we can check that. Especially when we want to talk about Canada. Let's see USD CAD. Oh, yeah, you can see USD CAD actually created some crazy moves also. USD CAD, oh, yeah, that was an aggressive reversal. You can see that. So it moved like quite low. Let me remove that. This structure is not really, the moves are crazy. So if maybe I go on a daily time frame, maybe it's where you can see what's really happening. So this is what we have on a daily time frame. So you can see that we had an aggressive sell, and now the market is coming back again. So which means this can be a very nice bullish move. But we already saw that CPI is quite stronger. But the reason behind this is we know very well that USD still has higher interest rates. And Canada, they did cut their rates a few weeks ago. So which means the dollar will most likely be stronger, even if there's a CPI from Canada is pushing up. So which means it's like CPI made some very big mistakes because they did cut their rates. And when we check, we see interest rates, sorry, not interest rates. We see inflation still going higher. Do you see that? And it seems like it's reversing very quick. Let's go on 4 hours time frame again. It seems like it's reversing very quick. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So if we go here, it seems to be reversing very nice, aggressively so. So I think above this support area, it was our support. I think we're going to see a very nice push to the upside. I hope you see that. So let's go on EuroCAD. Let me check them. What do I think about the news that came out now? I did not really check them. Let me go check economic calendar. This thing sometimes can be wrong. Monday, Tuesday. Today it was, let's see, what time? What time is it? Oh, we need higher important only. USA call when today? Maybe I don't really see some. Let me go. I just want to go for the upcoming Tuesday. Day 25. Oh, today, let's see, around 4. I don't see anything. I think this calendar is still trying. It's on a beta mode. Let me go check on my Forex Factory. And maybe I will see those economic news. I think around 4 we had, there's something. There was something around 4. As it is Tuesday, consumer confident. Whoa, positive. Not really that aggressive. So yeah, not really that it's positive. So that's why we see actually US going higher. So I think maybe we can go on dollar index. So yes, we're gonna check Euro Canada. Let's go on what again? Dollar index, or maybe USD JPY. Not that much. Not that much. Let's go on the dollar. I think dollar it's what we see now. Dollar, it seems to be trying to go higher, but consumers' confidence is not really that aggressively important news. That's because now the economies are not performing very well. It seems like every economic news that we get becomes very important, but it's not really an aggressive one, you see. But obviously, it will make the dollar to gain some momentum here and there. I see Nasdaq is pushing to the higher side. Which is something that I said. You see that? So now it means we are now eating. So for me, I will be telling my people to lock. Once we reach this area, I will place my notification there. Once we reach 19,750, we can lock our profits on Nasdaq. US30 seems to be going down. Still at the entry level. I think that can be our entry level, and the market can reverse very nice. So let me check Euro Canada and see what's really happening. So you can see that the market doesn't really care much, especially on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is still going higher. So that economic news that we saw from consumer confidence, that doesn't really affect much of our stocks. So gold, what's really happening on gold? Gold seems to be taking a hit from that. Seems to be taking something from that. But yeah, at the moment, let me check Euro Canada. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Share the link with your friends. Share the link with your friends so that they can join the stream. So Euro Canada, let's check Euro Canada. Euro, I don't really have EuroCAD. Okay, Euro Canada. I have to add everything here. Once. Oh, yeah. This one shows us that Canada is quite a little bit stronger. So let's see. Yeah, this is a change. You see that? So this is a different change because we can see we had a nice breakout, and the structure shows us that we were on a very nice uptrend structure. You see that? The market was moving very nice. Then we had a nice respect. Then after that, the market broke out. So now we expect a continuation of that downtrend structure. So this is a very nice one because Canada is quite stronger against Europe. As we see that Canada did have higher inflation rates, which means the prices are still going up. So next time, I don't think they're gonna cut their rates just because you see, it's like they did they actually made a very big mistake by cutting the rates quite sooner. So yeah, this is what we have. We had a very nice uptrend structure. If we go closer, we can say, yeah, the market did give us a very nice retest there. And at the moment, we don't really have a nice support. We can just draw that there, but that is not really a solid structure. But at the end of the day, the market might just continue doing something like that. So which means wait for the mature structure if you missed it around this level. So now it seems like this might be a support or something. Not really clear. Even if maybe let's try to go on maybe working 1 hour time frame. Yeah, maybe that can be something. You see that the market seems to be respecting this level. I don't know if you can see this nicely on your side, but that can be a potential support. And if the market breaks out of that, we can say we are ready to look for that sell. Simple as that. Simple as that. Simple as that. So yeah, that's what I think it's happening on working on Euro Canada. So as we are still playing around, let me see S&P. S&P 500 seems to be also trying, not really aggressive, trying to go on the upside, but not really like not the same as Nasdaq. Not the same as Nasdaq. Let's check US oil. I don't know if maybe we have people who trade oil here. But if we have, this is the structure, US oil. US oil, we are coming from a very great, aggressive downtrend structure, something like that. Coming from something like that. So instead of the market respecting this area and going down, you see, this is a pure breakout. We had that breakout, even though now the market is just consolidating here, but we still expect to see the market continuing going on that nice uptrend. Do you see that? So that can also be a very nice structure that we are waiting for. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, I'm expecting to see a continuation of that bullish move. Oil prices seems to be trying to go up, and if it goes up, obviously inflation might start to actually try to go up. When we say inflation, we're talking about CPI, PCEs, all those stuff. So that is not really good, not really good for us. But we'll just wait. We will just wait. So any pair that you want me to check, any pair that you want me to check. I did not really check anything on CNBC, but I feel like I need to check that. I need to check that. So let's go. Let me, while we're still waiting here, as I think someone who is eating, guys, who actually took this trade in the group, or whoever who took it now, let me know if you are eating. Let me know if you are eating. These signals were sent, by the way, in the group. Please don't fight the market. Don't fight the market. So let's see. We can just go on 5 things to know before the market opens. Actually, we're supposed to go through this every time just to understand what's really happening on the market. I'm trying to lock my profits, guys. 1990. I'm trying to lock this profit. 90. Okay, perfect. So that is what we have. So let's see 5 things to know before the market opens. So these are mostly the most stuff that we're supposed to check, or the news that we have to be aware before the market opens. They say Dow inched higher Monday, which is yesterday, while S&P 500 and Nasdaq moved lower. If you still remember, yesterday the market on Nasdaq, it was selling, not going down. Okay, Dow during the session decline with the losses. Stock is now down 13% last week. Okay. Or let me just read you this first point, because mostly is the most important one. Way more important than this other following points. So let me read for you, breaking with the 2 other major indexes. The Dow Jones or US30 rose higher Monday, which is yesterday, advancing 0.67% to close at 39,411, 39,411. Okay, it was not really bad, because if you still remember, the numbers were higher. So S&P 500 and tech-heavy Nasdaq fell. You saw Nasdaq, it was going down, sliding whatever the percentage that are there. In fact, Monday marked the worst day for the Nasdaq since April. But for us, it was good, because the market was already higher, so that it can go down and reach maybe a level that we can call a support before we think about buying, something like that. So let's see, the worst day of Nasdaq since April. Okay. Nvidia also fell during the previous trading session, declining 6.7%. Whoa, that was crazy. Obviously, people were just taking their profits. With the losses, the stock is now down 13% from its peak last week. Whoa. When it briefly surpassed Microsoft in market cap to become the world most valuable company. Okay, I think that it's the most important thing that I was just think that we can just actually cover. I don't think we have anything that is important than then. The other ones, they're just talking about individuals. So EU charges Microsoft with abusive bundlings of Teams and Office. Okay. Yeah, Fed governor says she's still open to rising rates. Oh, what? You see, news like this are the ones that makes the market to go crazy. Fed Governor Bowman says she's still open to rising rates if inflation doesn't improve. Whoa, that's crazy. Do we have to read more? No. If inflation increases, it means they expect to increase the rates, but that will they will have to agree on that. You see, they will have to agree on that, and maybe they will have to increase, but I think they will just pause. So on the comment section, technicals or fundamentals, which one do you prefer? Both. You can't go with technicals alone and you avoid fundamentals. It's like there's those things that go together, man. You can't separate them, because mostly when we see these bullish moves, when we see the market reversing and stuff like that, we know very well that, oh, we have inflation higher, going higher. That makes the dollar to be stronger, or other pairs to go stronger or weaker, 1, 2, 3. So by understanding that, you'll start to realize that, whoa, we don't say fundamentals controls the market, we don't say technicals control the market, but they both do, because sometimes the market doesn't really care much about what the release of the event. But the most important thing is we just have to understand that they just go together. I don't really know why people try to separate them. Yes, we can say I trade only fundamentals, I trade this and that. But is it possible to trade one alone? Unless if maybe you just trade in spikes. When you say, okay, let me wait, once they release, I will be buying or selling. Or maybe before that, you will be buying or selling. But still, you have to understand where you're buying. Is it maybe on the support area? Is it good for you to buy? Or are you thinking about selling? Because the market can sell and reverse very quick. So one way or another, I think it is still good for you to understand technical, because we don't really have news every day. And these technicals, these fundamentals, they're actually more important when they are aggressive, like when there is geopolitics, when there is stuff that are not really happening very well. So they tend to be important, because everyone is just checking if inflation is going to go down, if employment is going down, is there a recession coming? All those things, it's what matters when things are not going well. But when things are nice, we don't really care much. That's why you will see once they release NFP, the market doesn't really spike that much. When they release NFP, CPIs or PCEs, the market won't be reacting that much, you see. So, yeah, I think they go all together, man. Don't worry much. Just make sure that you understand both. But at the end of the day, it's going to be easier for you to combine them, and they will just work together. It's something that you can't separate. So, okay, Forex City, yeah, bought Nasdaq 100. Okay, that's great. Up in profits on us so far. Adam, okay, you are eating. Also bought Nasdaq. Oh, that's great. I hope we are going to both eat. I can see it seems to be trying to reverse, but I'm expecting a continuation of that bullish move. You can see this center, it's where I'm expecting to see the market reach. And from there, it's where maybe we will try to lock. But at the moment, it's good to also reduce your stop losses. AUD NZD. Sorry, I will check that. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, guys. Smash that subscribe button. Like, share with your friends. Like, share with your friends. Let's see. Like, share with your friends. We are still in that profit in Nasdaq. I'm still expecting a nice reversal going higher. So yeah, let's see if maybe we're gonna get something. It's AUD what? AUD New Zealand. AUD. I don't think I have that. I don't think I have that. Let me add it. AUD. Neighbors, Aussie dollar. Okay. Here we have Aussie dollar. Let's go on the daily time frame so that we understand the overall structure before we start to say some stuff. This is what we have. Oh, okay. I think I did this. I think I did this few days ago, or maybe on Trader Nick's channel. So yeah, this one to me it's a bit confusing. At the same time, if I removed it, but I don't think it's confusing that much, because if I remove this resistance, at the end of the day, this is gonna be a very nice uptrending structure. Do you see that? So which means we expect the market to continue going up. It's just that now where we are, the market tried to move in a horizontal form, but we also have a very nice structure that we can say it's actually going up. To me, this is a very nice uptrend structure. It's just that the market sometimes can do its thing. So can we get a proper line? Let's try. We don't really have to force. Let me try it from here. Let's see. This one was making sense. Yeah. AUD CPI release expected to be higher today. It could clear things up on AUD. Okay. I will make sure that I check that. Maybe it's gonna be later, maybe, or maybe tomorrow morning, maybe. Let's see. This is what I see now. I think this was a very nice structure, and we have a breakout there. That was almost, we can say it was a fake breakout. So to me, this is a very nice uptrend structure, as you can see from this level, from that level, and multiple of other ones there. And we also had that breakout, and the market came back again and respect that. I think I did not really check that nicely. This one is very nice. This structure is very better than drawing something here. So yeah, we are on a very nice uptrend. Let's try to go on a 4 hours time frame and go a little bit closer there. Just know that these structures can be aggressive. That's why I like to show you these structures on a daily time frame, especially on the minor pairs or exotic pairs. So this is what we have. The market actually reached a nice support area. So that is the breakout that I was talking about. So the market did touch this level. So I'm expecting to see a very nice push. Do you see that? I'm expecting a very nice push. Very nice push. But the problem is where the market is now, you can't just take advantage. It's difficult to take advantage of that because already the market moved away from that support. Remember to buy low. Buy when the market is quite lower so that you can have enough push to the upside. The market was here. Then we expect the market to do what? To continue going up. Or maybe you will wait for the market to do its thing around the way, and then maybe you will be jumping on that, or maybe something like that. You will just do your own thing there. But I think the market, the time it was going down, we had something like that, a nice breakout. So the best way here is to try to analyze whatever that is happening at the moment so that you can get a continuation of those buy positions, because we can easily see that the market is now consolidating. We are coming from this downtrend structure. We had a breakout. Yeah, so now I think maybe you can see what I'm trying to show you here. Maybe you can see what I'm trying to show you here. So which means the market might just consolidate here. We can buy around this level, but it's not really nice one. Rather wait for the market to break out than buy while the market is trying to go up. Or if it breaks this support area, maybe the market will be going back to that support before we get a proper bullish move again. Simple as that. So yeah, that's how it is. Nasdaq seems to be trying to go back. I think maybe we can have a very nice trade. We can just relax here and see what's really happening. You can see where we had a nice buy. We had our buy position here. I'm expecting to lock the profits once the market reaches that level. Maybe we can have a very nice trade. So yeah, USD card. Check USD card. Let me check USD card. I think USD card I did check. It was trying to go higher, unless if maybe it is struggling. Yeah. Mara, this can be a very nice trade, guys. This thing is been trying to go up. So I think in the group we also already have a trade like this. Unfortunately, the market went aggressively low. So I think something like this can work in our favor. You can see the reversal there. But it's surprising because CPI, CAD CPI was quite positive. Or let me just show you this. Let me show you this. Yeah. So this is what we have. Wednesday, ne? Oh, so now I'm talking about today's what? It's Tuesday, ne? Yeah, we can see that we had CPI. This CPI actually shows us that it's positive. Just look at this, comparing to a forecast, positive comparing to forecast. It was way much better, or let's say way too aggressive going higher. So that makes Canada to be quite stronger against other pairs. Guess what? US came back up again, and with the CB or consumer confidence, it was positive. So this shows that the dollar gained some momentum again against CPI against Canada. But the most CPI, the CPI that you were talking about, it's here. It's tomorrow morning. Then yeah, we will see. So, but the one that I want to see, guys, it's it's PCE on Fridays. Sorry. So here on the forecast, they say this it might go down. We will have to see because things are not really looking good. With the inflation, it seems to be going up and down, and they will be delaying us about when it comes to cutting those interest rates. I hope that makes sense. So I think that makes sense. So now we can have something like this. Let's just take this one also. We can say the best thing that we can do for us to be safe, let's remove this, because now we have different structures here. We can say, yeah, the market seems to be reversing, but we also had a nice structure showing us that, you know what, guys, I'm going down. I say an aggressive downtrend structure, or we can call that a wedge. So we don't really want any fake move here. So that is an area that we were calling it a resistant area, because the market was still creating a wedge structure. So with that, we said, you know what, we can't do anything. until the market breaks out of that. So if maybe we want to have a very nice buy here, it means let's wait for the market to break out here around this resistance. Why? Because for a very long time, or maybe for a few weeks, the market has been respecting this resistance. So at the end of the day, for those who know, they know this, it's a wedge structure. So which means the market might just consolidate around this area before we see an aggressive breakout on this on this resistance, or maybe on this support area. But as the overall structure is actually on a very nice uptrend, there is a chance that the market can break out of this resistance. But now if we want to buy, we don't really buy where the market is, because it is still inside the trend, right? Inside this wedge structure. So what we can do is we can wait for the market to break out of this, and then we can buy something like this. Something like this. I hope you're learning something. We can have something like that. Then we can say, yeah, if maybe the market breaks out, something like that, that is going to be our trades above this level. So as the market is already on an uptrend, we don't really have to wait for the candlesticks to retest. No, it's just a continuation of a trend. So we just buy and forget if maybe the market will be breaking out of that. So the best thing for you not to just jump in the market, you can just place a notification and say, okay, let me forget about that. Once the market breaks out of that area, it will notify me. I hope that makes sense. I'm also eating. Jabulani, how are you, man? I hope you're doing great. Jabulani is also eating on Nasdaq. And guys, I forgot, for those who wants to be part of the team, we have a very nice special that ends this weekend, guys. We have a very nice special. So yeah. So let's see. On Nasdaq, it seems like we are eating. It seems like it's just going up and down. I wanted it to reach that level around 19,800. Maybe from there we will decide what to do. Nasdaq, sorry, US30. I think US30, guys, if you check US30, it's actually back to our previous entry. I told my people to secure their profits here. I don't think they are still holding. So, but if you check nicely, this is back to where we were, where we said we supposed to actually take a buy pending order. And it seems like it's going to reverse. If it reverses, that is still a very nice entry, guys. It's still a very, very nice entry. As I think US30 will try to catch up with NAS 100. I think US30 will try to catch up with that. NAS 100 is already flying, so which means there is enough room for us to look for those buys on US30. You can see US30 was the one which was aggressive on that selling, but once it tries to go up, it was just consolidating. Now it seems like the market will be going back. Do you see that? I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So yeah, and it seems to be reversing. Just look at that. That is where the market is reversing, and that can be a very nice entry. So yeah, I'm not gonna send that. Already I sent Nasdaq, so you can take that if you want to take that. It seems like Nasdaq is doing its thing. It seems like Nasdaq is doing its thing. Yeah. Yeah, my people are eating. I see Bukani, it's eating. No, that is a good thing if everyone is eating. So guys, I think now, I don't know if you have any questions. USA Telungu Trader, US30 USD. So yeah, if maybe you have any questions, let me know. If maybe you want me to check any pair, let me know. But at the moment, we will be calling it a day. We are supposed to go only an hour, so that we can have enough strength again, like tomorrow, to go on our live sessions again. If maybe we don't really have a question, thank you very much. Don't forget to smash the subscribe, share, the channel with your friends and tell them to join our streams, or maybe not to miss our daily analysis, and maybe that will help 1 or 2 people. And yeah, thank you very much. So if there's no questions, we can just call it a day. Okay. Yeah, I think I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye.